Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. I thought I would show you how to clean the Blackstone Griddle, or how I clean it once we're done cooking on it. It's off. We just cooked a cheap version of cheesesteak sandwiches, and while it was still hot, if there's any stuck on places, I just squirt a little water and scrape it up. But now it's totally cool. I will take my spatulas inside and wash them. I will take the grease trap, empty it out, take it inside and wash it. But all I have, and it's just like an iron skillet. Once you get it seasoned and non-stick, you don't really want to put soap or nothing on it. So first I'm going to wipe up the excess grease with a paper towel. And if there was any stuck on parts or anything, I would take my scraper and just scrape it up. But it feels pretty smooth. And then in my bowl over here, you can't see it, but I have some very warm water with these kind of sponges that I get a whole big old pack at the Dollar Tree for $1. But I am going to throw down a little bit of kosher salt, and then just take the scrubby end and just kind of scrub over it. And I can also take my hand or a rag and go over it and see if I feel any stuck on parts or anything. And then I'll rinse my sponge out. Kind of go back over it again. Make sure I get the sides and the back part of it. And then I'm going to take my rag and wipe it up. And I will empty out my water one time. And because right now it's got a little bit of the grease in it, so I will empty that out, fill it back up with fresh water, and wipe it down, rinse out my rag and wipe it down a couple of times. And like I say, right now I don't feel any rough patches on it or anything, so I pretty much did the scraping when it was still warm of some stuck on cheese. Okay, I'm going to go get some fresh water, wipe it down one more time, and then I'll bring you back. It's really, really easy to clean up. And then I always, once my rag is clean, I always wipe off my knobs and everything for any grease splatters. And I'll wipe off the trays. And then I take some clean paper towels and just wipe it off. And then once it's completely cool, we'll cover it up, put the cover on it, and store it for the next use. And when I get ready to cook on it again, before I heat it up, I will wipe it down with a damp cloth, and then it's ready to go. You see, I don't feel no rough spots or stuck on spots or anything right now. And then I'll wipe down my knobs and all again, keep all that clean, and my sides, the side tables to it, and there you have it. We are really enjoying this. This is really a good investment. It really brings the family together, because whenever we do cook on it, like, they all come outside, they all want to help, and so everybody's in with the cook, and that's a good thing. So thanks for watching. How do you clean yours? Do you have one? How do you clean yours and all? Let me know in the comments. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye, y'all. Real quick, I just want to add, from start to finish, from the time when I first started with our cook tonight, it was at 5 o'clock exactly. It is now around 10 minutes till 6. So 50 minutes from start to finish, and clean up and everything. So, now that was for my meal. But it doesn't take it long to cool down. And I love it. Bye, y'all.